He has been playing since morning. He has been playing since morning. They have been catching fish. They have been catching fish. I have been eating rice. I have been eating rice. He has been going to school. He has been going to school. She has been studying for hours. She has been studying for hours. I have been learning English. I have been learning English. We have been cleaning the house. We have been cleaning the house. She has been cooking since noon. She has been cooking since noon. They have been watching television. They have been watching television. He has been running in the park. He has been running in the park. I have been drinking water. I have been drinking water. She has been reading a book. She has been reading a book. We have been waiting for you. We have been waiting for you. He has been working all day. He has been working all day. They have been talking loudly. They have been talking loudly. I have been doing my homework. She has been drawing pictures. She has been drawing pictures. He has been driving carefully. He has been driving carefully. We have been practicing daily. We have been practicing daily. They have been playing football. They have been playing football. I have been feeling tired. I have been feeling tired. She has been writing a letter. She has been writing a letter. He has been sleeping since afternoon. He has been sleeping since afternoon. We have been shopping in the market. We have been shopping in the market. They have been laughing together. They have been laughing together.